In this video, I will show you how to create and link a Nintendo account for your Nintendo Switch. So if you newly got your Nintendo Switch, you would have noticed that before you can download games, chats, or even access the Nintendo eStore, you definitely have to create and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch. And even if you're able to create a user on your Nintendo Switch, you will still need to create a Nintendo account before you can be able to access certain features on your Nintendo Switch. And to do this, basically, you just want to go ahead and click on the link a Nintendo account over here. If you do not know how to get to this page from the home of your Nintendo Switch, you just want to go ahead and try opening up the Nintendo eStore. And you want to select the user you want to create and link a Nintendo account for. So I'll select that account. Now click on the link a Nintendo account over here. And at this point, what you just want to do is to go ahead and get your phone. So I'll just get my Android phone over here. Remember, you can use your iPhone or an Android phone, and then you want to head over to your browser, then proceed to search for create Nintendo account. So just type create Nintendo account, just like so. And you just want to click on the first link over here, the create a Nintendo account, which is basically account.nintendo.com. So you want to click on that link, and once it loads, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the create a Nintendo account at the top, and you want to select if you are a user age 13 or above, or for a user age 12 or under. So in my case, it is 13 and above, so I'll go ahead and select that. And at this point, you can proceed to sign in with your Gmail account, which is usually very easy, or your Apple account if you're using an iPhone and wants to make things easier for yourself. But in my case, I'll go ahead and select my Gmail over here. So select Google, and now you want to select the Gmail that you want to be used for your new Nintendo accounts that you're now creating. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and select this email over here, and then just click on continue. Now at this point, you will have to fill up all of this information over here. So first is your nickname. I'll go ahead and select any nickname over here. Remember, there should be no space in your nickname, and then you just want to scroll down and then proceed to enter your password. And once you're done entering your password and then confirm your password, you want to proceed to enter your date of birth. Now under gender, you want to proceed to enter your gender. In my case, it is a male. And then region, you can go ahead and select your region. But one thing you would have to note is that not all regions can actually access the Nintendo eStore. So for instance, my actual region, which is Nigeria, does not work. So I'll just go ahead and select a region that actually works. For instance, the United States. And then you can select your time zone if you want, and then go ahead and check all of these user agreements over here. Now click on the submit button. Now at this point, a verification code will be sent to your email. So what you want to do is to just go ahead and check the verification code that has been sent to your email or Gmail. If you come over to my Gmail, you can now see my Nintendo email. So I'll go ahead and check it out, and then just go ahead and enter this code over here inside of this input field, and then click on confirm. And now my Nintendo account has been created. Now we have to go ahead and link the Nintendo account with our Nintendo Switch. So what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the OK button over here. And at this point, you want to go ahead and open up your phone's camera, and then just scan the QR code on your Nintendo Switch. So I have just scanned the QR code, and this is the link from the QR code. In some phones, this would automatically redirect you to the same browser, or you can just open up this on a browser. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on select this person, and then you want to enter this code inside of your Nintendo Switch. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. Once you're done, click on the OK button over here, and then click on OK. And at this point, you just want to come over to your Nintendo Switch and then just click on the link button over here. Now it's just going to take some few seconds. And just like so, we have successfully created and linked a Nintendo account to our Nintendo Switch. Now what you just want to do is to click on the OK button, and you're good to go. Now we can now access the Nintendo eStore. You can go ahead and scan the QR code on your Nintendo Switch one more time, and then just open this up on my browser one more time. Go ahead and enter your password. Click on OK one more time, and automatically your Nintendo Switch account should also allow you to access the Nintendo eStore on your device as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.